This video is going to show you how to work on case study for chapter number 6. The case study gives you a shorthand notation for a student table. In this table, we have a student ID as a key, primary key. We have student name, student GPA, student advisor's number, and advisor name. So in order to evaluate this table, is in first, second, or third normal form or not, we have to step by step. First, does this table have a repeating group? Based on the notation, we don't see any repeating group problem. So it is in the first normal form. Second, does this table have a partial key dependency issue? If a table have a partial key dependency issue, it should have a composite primary key. In other words, should have a two combined column as a primary key. But in this case, we only have a one key, student ID, as a primary key. So we don't have a partial key dependency issue, which means this table also in the second normal form. Now we turn into the third normal form. We notice that the student advisor's name is fully determined by advisor number. In other words, we have a transitive dependency here. In other words, you can create a new table which, if I use Microsoft Word, can be insert a table, for instance, why I cannot insert? Okay, let me take a quick look. Yeah, now I can insert a table. For instance, this is a 3 column table, and this is advisor's ID. Let me see what else. Advisor number and advisor name, which means we don't even need this. We don't even need that, right? Advisor number and name. This is very easy, right? And let's take a look. If you create a new table called advisor, separate table for advisor, what's the relationship between advisor and a student? Usually, one advisor can have many students, and one student can only have one advisor advise him. So in other words, after I have an advisor table, the student table going to be like something like this. You need to remove the student name from the student table, right? And the advisor number should be the foreign key to refer to the advisor name, advisor table, if you want to get advisor name. In other words, I shouldn't create that table, right? I shouldn't create that table. I use the shorthand notation. In other words, yes, I don't need that table. I made a mistake. Delete that table. Advisor. All uppercase. And name. And in this advisor table, who is primary key? You can figure out, right? And who is foreign key? You can figure out by yourself, right? And you need to mark, you need to note the primary key and foreign key for your tables. And keep in mind, the student advisor and student, the relationship for these two entities is one to many. So how to map a one-to-many table? In other words, which key should be foreign key? The rule is, like we talked about in chapter number 2, I believe, or chapter number 3. You take the primary key from one side and put it on the many side as a foreign key, right? In this case, I already did that, right? So you need to figure out which one, so that can be a very easy question. But I need you, after you watch the video, you're gonna give me the two tables, use shorthand notation, and all the primary key and the foreign key, right? This is the how to work on the case study. It's very easy. Thank you.